Welcome, dear parents and family members. My name is Dr. Yasat Private School. I'm the Executive Principal of Yasat Private School. I want to welcome you to join us on September 21st for our annual open house. We will get to see some of the innovative and fantastic projects our students engage in on a daily basis.
Hi, my name is Mira. Welcome to Team Alyasat Sharks. I was one of the drivers for our world-winning car. Come on, let's see.
We worked so hard for what? The Innovation and Technology Award.
And we won.
Meet us in 21 September open house. See you there.
Wow, look at this. This is magnificent. I can see the stars from here. If you want to try this new VR experience, come to Yasat School on September 21st on open house from 3:30 to 6 p.m. Watch the space.